Worldcoin gitire kirahorera kuona ati nigithiite na mbere na gutumura ciuria itiganite na makiria riri huthuthuria baranginya uthiite na mbere na gutafanio kishikeka kana ugitafanio gitemi ria kumenya undu uyu wakorirwo ugikinyanira na njira iriku magikinya mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya bunge-ini ya gibururi muthenya wa umuthi kamiti ria hehetwo wira wa kunyabara nicio kana nicio kiri ciuria itiganite makiuga ati ona thengia ya gukorwo magikinya mbere ya kamiti no marathi na mbere na guthuthuria iguru rigie Worldcoin.
Of the Data Commissioner pursuant to the power under Section 9(1) and 59 of the Data Protection Act has commenced a multi-agency investigation to ascertain the true position of the processing activities of Worldcoin. The Office of the Data Protection Commissioner is yet to establish the numbers of the Kenyans who have signed up with Worldcoin. The Act provides explicitly that state that the data controllers and data processors do not have to be resident in Kenya to make an application for registration.
According to you, you are here to clarify that it's not your job to know whether the company is registered for their core business. That's not your job. You don't care two bloody hoots about it. As long as somebody fills this form that nobody sees, nobody assesses, nobody looks at, it is done electronically as you just told us. In Parliament you said the same thing. Once this form is filled, what then? What is your job as the data processing what do you call yourselves? Data Protection Commissioner. What is your job? Is your job to then find out, A, is this sensitive data? They're saying it's sensitive.
And this issue of Worldcoin is not a surprise. It is something which was well planned. But this dates clearly outlines that there is need for scrutiny of the reports that you've given and highlights of questions for responses sent to the Commission and the team, and then the multi-agencies who are implicated in this. So we need a actually, this should not be that could it be. It must be an inquiry.
Kambuni ya utambia